Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates with Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector, as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel. You will get daily job notification as well as interview tips as well as any doubts clearing session. So all we have provided in this channel, you can check our videos. So if you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe us. Today's job notification has come from Airtel. So they are hiring software engineer position. BE BTech MCA can apply for this job. So it is a challenge drive. Okay, so it is their challenge 2021. The program name is Airtel X Labs Challenge 2021. So they are hiring software engineers. CTC will be quite large, 14.75 to 17.5 LPA. So it's a very good thing. So only one thing. So the programming questions will be there. I will discuss that thing. So the job location will be Gurgaon. Okay. Openings 25. About the challenge they have prepared. So Airtel are looking for exceptionally talented people who are hyper focused, looking for faster growth in career, believe in enriching the lives of millions via technology. Eligibility criteria: engineering graduates can apply for this job from college across India. BE BTech CS and IT branches can apply. Graduation year 2019, 2020, 2021 can apply. Challenge format: two programming questions on data structure or algorithms will be provided to you. Okay. So about the role: to contribute and lead team of enthusiastic individuals to the building and maintenance of high quality software application and cater superior experience to their customer at scale. Your key responsibilities will be: you have to maintain high standards of software quality, design, develop, unit test application, adhere to high quality development principles. Experience and skills: the skills required for this particular drive is proficient in at least one of the object oriented programming language such as Java, Python, Ruby, knowledge of NoSQL database technologies, caching data, stores, queuing systems, and search technologies. Experience with version control tools like SVN or Git. Proficiency in computer science fundamentals like object oriented design, data structure, algorithm design. Excellent problem solving skills, hands on experience in building highly available, scalable softwares or systems. If you are an ideal fit, you have teamwork, collaboration, analytical problem solving abilities, then networking and interpersonal skills, then you can apply for this drive. So, last date is not mentioned, so you are checking this application as soon as possible. You can apply for this job. So you have to click on apply link. So it will be redirecting to the HackerEarth page because the programming challenges will be provided to you in the HackerEarth website. Okay, so you can see it is an online drive. Participation will be confidential. Algorithm challenge. CTC is 14.75 to 17.5 LPA CTC. Opens April 2nd 10:30 p.m. Closes at April 4 1:25 p.m. 2 hour 30-minute time. Okay, so within this time duration you have to give the exam by registering the challenge. Okay, 0+ experience can apply also. Again I am mentioning, it will the link will open for that drive or for that challenge will be 2nd April 10:30 p.m. and closes at 4th April 1:25 p.m. Duration of that programming challenge is 2 hour 30 minute. Just click on register if you're really interested. So you can directly sign up if you don't have your account in HackerEarth, or if you have account then you can directly sign in there. Okay, so by clicking here the name and so by giving your email address and name, by giving the password, you can clicking on further proceed. So password will require some strong version, right? So some more addition will be needed because I have not given any special character. So I think this will work now. Yeah, so by clicking on proceed we will be redirecting to the main application page. Okay, so you have to fill in their full name, gender, current location, contact details, institute, degree, stream, your graduation year, college name, graduating year, stream of specialization, current or last job title. If you don't have, then don't give that. Are you interested in working here? Tell years of experience, then your resume, then register for the challenge. So this is the whole registration process for this drive. That's it, my friend. So registration is open now. As soon as you are seeing this application or application notification you are getting, job application notification, you need to apply for this job. Okay, so thank you friends, thanks for watching this video, thanks for supporting us till date. So keep subscribing us, keep motivating us, and also if you like this video, then hit the like button and share this video with your friends so that they will be beneficiate from our channel. We will meet in next video. Take care guys, bye.